Did you know that what you eat every single day could be destroying your testosterone or sending it through the roof? Testosterone is not just about muscles or masculinity. It's the fuel for your energy, your focus, and even your confidence. And the shocking truth is, the foods you choose can decide whether you feel like a lion or a kitten. Most people have no idea that simple, everyday foods can completely transform how their body produces testosterone. But before we dive in, you need to understand something. Testosterone controls almost everything. Your motivation, your strength, your drive, your mood. When it drops, you feel it. You wake up tired, unfocused, unmotivated. It's like your fire is slowly fading. But the good news is, you can reignite that fire naturally. Let's start with something simple. Eggs. For years, people have been told that egg yolks are bad, but that's a myth. The yolk is where all the power is. Rich in good cholesterol and vitamin D, both essential for testosterone production. Avoiding the yolk is like throwing away your body's natural fuel. Next up, lean meats and seafood. They're packed with zinc, one of the most important minerals for testosterone. Without zinc, your body can't convert cholesterol into testosterone. That's why low zinc diets often lead to low energy, poor mood, and hormonal imbalance. But here's the twist. Testosterone doesn't just come from protein. You need healthy fats, too. That's where avocados come in. Loaded with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, avocados help your body build testosterone naturally. It's like giving your body the perfect building blocks to make more of what makes you feel alive. Now let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines. Their omega-3 fats improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and make your testosterone receptors more responsive. So not only does your body produce more testosterone, but it also uses it better. Then we have the silent heroes, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cauliflower. They help reduce estrogen, the hormone that competes with testosterone. By reducing estrogen, you give testosterone the freedom to rise. And one of the most underrated foods of all, garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. When cortisol goes up, testosterone goes down. Keeping cortisol low means more free testosterone circulating through your body. Don't forget the nuts, almonds, walnuts, and cashews. They're rich in magnesium and healthy fats that not only support hormone production, but also fight oxidative stress, another enemy of testosterone. And yes, even dark chocolate can help. The kind with at least 70% cocoa is loaded with antioxidants and magnesium that boost blood flow and keep your hormones balanced. But while these foods can boost your testosterone, there are villains too. Sugar, alcohol, refined vegetable oils, and sleep deprivation. All of them silently kill your hormone levels. If you want real, lasting results, you need to feed your body right and stop feeding the problem. Because testosterone is more than just a hormone. It's energy, it's drive, it's the fire that keeps you alive. And it all starts with what you choose to put on your plate.